A flash is a very important tool for a photographer. Most cameras come equipped with a standard flash that will pop up when the camera deems that it's needed, or you can hit this button or whatever button your camera might have to activate the flash. Now, this is a very basic flash, and it'll get the job done, but if you're serious and you're trying to take some professional images, I encourage you to maybe use a handheld flash like such. A handheld flash can have more control than the standard flash that comes with the camera, thus being able to have more or less light. This flash connects right to the top of my camera, like so, and it'll automatically read the camera, or the camera will automatically read the flash, and they'll know that they're working together, and it'll go to this flash as its main light source, as opposed to the built-in flash, which actually can't even pop up when this is in there. When I first got into photography, I really tried to avoid flashes because I felt I could use the natural light and make an image myself, but as I got into shooting interiors and things of that nature, and actually a lot of sporting events and concerts, I found that I really needed a flash. So a flash is a very important tool for a photographer to have.